So this is everything you need to know about Profhilo. Profhilo is a hyaluronic acid dermal filler, but it's not like other fillers, okay? There are fillers that you put in and they will plump your lip, lift your cheek, give you a bit more structure and support. Profhilo is not like that. You inject it more superficially into the skin and it is designed to literally whoosh through all of the skin, meaning that after the first treatment, your skin looks glowy and glossy and gorgeous. We repeat the exact same treatment 1 month later, and at that point you'll start to see a bit more volume. So you'll have a little bit more volume in your cheeks, around your mouth corners, even along your jaw. It is absolutely fabulous. The beautiful thing about Profhilo is that nobody will ever suspect you've had any filler at all, but they'll just say how great you look. Now, if you ask me, that is a winner. If you're interested, call the clinic and book in for a consult for Profhilo.